Daniel shared photographs of snowy mornings and illuminated cityscapes, while Aline sent videos of bustling streets, lakefront breezes, and Burundian celebrations. Through these exchanges, they gradually built a bridge between their worlds. Daniel began learning Kirundi phrases, and Aline developed a growing curiosity about life in Canada, from its seasons to its cultural diversity. Eventually, Daniel traveled to Bujumbura for the first time. Upon arrival, the warmth of the city and the beauty of Lake Tanganyika felt like the realization of a long-held dream. When he finally met Aline in person, it felt as though their conversations had simply continued without interruption. They spent their days walking along the lake, sharing meals, and engaging in long conversations about their hopes and aspirations. Daniel admired Aline's strong connection to her city, while Aline appreciated Daniel's humility and his sincere embrace of his heritage despite growing up abroad. One evening, as the sun set over Lake Tanganyika, Daniel turned to Aline and said, "I used to feel as though I existed between two worlds, Canada and Burundi. But now I realize I am truly at home only when I am with you." Aline smiled gently and replied, "And I have learned that love can travel farther than any ocean or flight. It always finds its way." Their story stands as a reminder that love can transcend continents, shaped by culture, distance, and identity, yet strengthened through patience, understanding, and shared experience. Though they came from Canada and Bujumbura, they discovered that home can ultimately be found in a shared heart.